Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel Pseudocodes and Programming. Today we are going to learn how to write if condition in pseudocode. So basically it is a conditional loop which will run until the condition is true and then we're going to output. So first off we're going to start the video by looking at this question. Take input of a student's marks and then write a pseudocode for determining the grade of a student. Use grade A, B, C and fail. So it's basically telling us to take an input, but we are going to first start off by writing output. So first keep in mind it will be in capital and as it is a reserved word, it is not to be used again. Output and then open apostrophe. We are going to write please enter your marks. And then we're going to close the apostrophe. And one thing to keep in mind is that this apostrophe is for displaying output messages. So anything written in it will be displayed on the screen. Next line we're going to write input. This will also be in capital as it is a reserved word. Then we're going to write num. Num will be starting with a capital letter because it is a variable, that is that it will store a value. So yeah. Then we are going to move on and write the condition. We're going to write if in capital letters. So this if will be in capital letters because it's the condition, and then num, that is the variable, is greater than or equals to 80. Then we're going to leave space and then write then because it is the indentation that is important in the pseudocode, and then after that we're going to leave another line and we're going to start off by giving another indentation and write output because if this condition is true, if the number is equal to 80, then we're going to output apostrophe open your grade is 80. So the message I'm writing, your grade is A. The message I'm writing in the output is basically for the message that will be displayed on the screen, else. Now we're going to write else. This will also be in capital because it is also a part of the loop. Now after writing else, I'm going to write if. This if is called the nested if. So yeah, we're going to write if in capital letters and then we're going to write num is greater than or equals to 70. This will be for grade B. Then we're going to make indentation and then write output. Then and then output with indentation, all in capital letters. Output open apostrophe your grade is B. So if the number is greater than or equals to 70, then it will be B. Then we are going to write another else which will be also in capital letters, and then after that we are going to leave space and write if num, that is the variable, num capital letter, first letter will be capital and then greater than or equals to 60. This is the third condition that we mentioned up there, which is C. Then that will also be in capital letters. We're going to leave the line, give the indentation and then write output, open the apostrophe because this message is going to be displayed on our user screen. Your grade is C. So we have fulfilled 3 of the tasks, that is to mention A, B and C up till now, and now the last thing is left. Now here's a bit of a change. We are going to write else with the corner and then we are going to write under it output because this is the last condition, so this will be else. Output, you are fail. This is because we are trying to say that if the marks are lower than 60, 70, 80, it will be a fail. And now you can see we have 3 ifs in this pseudocode, 1, 2 and 3. So we are going to write 3 and ifs. That is, the loop will be ended thrice. First we are going to write it with the indentation of the nested if and if because it is the latest if, and then after that just under it the second nested if, and then at the end we are going to write it with the left corner. This is because our first if was the initial starting if, that is an if for it also. So this is the pseudocode for writing the if condition, taking the input of the student marks, and then writing grades A, B and C. If you like my video, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and see you in another one. Allah Hafiz.